Hello coders, welcome to Vigo Webs. Today we're going to see about cards with inverted border radius. Let me start. Cards with inverted border radius. Okay, first I'm adding the section. Inside the section I'm adding H2 here, men's personal cap. One break, add products. Then next I'm adding the container in the div. Inside the container I'm adding the card. Then inside the card adding card inner. Here I'm adding style variable white. Okay, then inside the card inner I'm adding the box. The box for images. So I'm adding another div for image box. Here I'm already added the 3 images which is I downloaded from copyright free images from Unplus. So here I'm adding those image in the image tag. Image source images product 1. Alt text I'm adding some image alt. Okay, now we got one image. Then another div under the box for icons. Here adding a tag, href, then class icon box, span class material symbols outline. Here I'm already added the style for this icon material symbol outline. Here I'm adding the arrow, out. Here you can see the arrow. Then here I'm adding another div for content. Inside the content I'm adding the h3 for card heading, giving beard oil, then p tag with some placeholder text. And see this one below the paragraph I'm adding some tag for these products. Here I'm adding another list, like style tag, giving some color 4 3 5 1 1, giving name for the tag means cat. Another one for beauty products. Here I am giving some other colors. 81 A1 7C. Now you can see the tag in the unordered list. Now I am copying this card for next 2 cards. Just here I am changing the heading and tag names. For the second one, can add it as product 2. Here I am giving some name to this product, coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil. Here lorem ipsum, let it be. Then here product 3. Can you hair loss? Now we have the 3 card products. Here I am adding different tags, hair, care. Changing color to purple. Okay. Now here I'm adding this purple here. Now the first one have 2 tags. 2 here we have the 3 tags. Now let me start to style these cards. Here I am imported the font Lato here. Now I am start to style these cards. Globally margin 0, padding 0. Then for the body, display flex, justify content, center, align items, center, min height 100, viewport height. Then background, adding white, the font family Lato, sans serif, font weight 400. Okay, now it's aligned center. Now for the section, padding block 20, viewport height, 2. Okay, width min 765 rem, 90%. Okay, then margin inline auto, color okay. Now for H2 text transform capitalize, letter spacing 0.025 em, font size, clamp to rem 1.15 rem plus 0.75 with comma 0.6 rem. Okay, then can give the tag for A. Display inline block text decoration. Okay, now for container, margin top 5 em, here I am using the em. Display grid template column repeat auto fit min max 60 rem comma 1 for. Here I am adding the gap to rem. Card nth child of 1 dot box dot icon box. For the background I am using 679 V3, the purple color. Here you can see. Now the similar way I am adding for other childs. For the second one I am adding the light brown, and the third child I am adding the light green. Okay, then adding for card UL, another list style. Display flex align item center flex wrap then gap 0.25 list style type and okay 20. Okay, the next we can do it for LI text transform uppercase background variable tag, then the color, the text color brown, font weight 700, font size 0.8 rem. Then the padding 75 rem 25 rem. Then border radius 0.1 rem. Now next for card content. Padding 0.38 rem 0.625 rem. Then card H3. So H3 here, text transform capitalize, font size clamp 1.5 rem 1.09 rem plus 0.364 viewport with 1.8 rem. Okay, then for paragraph margin 0.625 rem 1.25 rem. The color can add 65656. Now can format this here, adding for card inner, position relative width inherit height 8.75 rem. Then the background where color, border radius 1.25 rem, overflow header. Okay, now adding for box with 100% height, 100% background white, the border radius 1.25 rem, overflow header. Okay, then here adding for image box, position absolute, insert 0. Okay, where is our arrow? Okay, then next for box and for image with 100% height, 100% object fit cover. Okay, now next to add it for icon position absolute bottom minus 0.375 rem and the right minus 0.375 rem with 6 rem height 6 rem background color. Now border top left radius 50%. Now we can see the border radius. The next for icon box, then icon over icon box, transform scale 1.1. You can see the scaling the icons. Icon before pseudo element content position absolute with 1.25 rem height 1.25 rem border bottom right radius 1.25 rem. Then bottom 0.375 rem and the left minus 0.25 rem. Now adding the box shadow 0.313 rem 0.313 rem 0.313 rem. Color white. Here I am copying the same thing for icon after. Here I am adding comma or icon after. Here I am removing bottom left hand border radius and the same thing for after also. Commonly added style for icon pseudo element after and before, and here I am changing the top minus 1.25 rem and the right, adding value 0.375, run. Here, color, adding this color, and then next I am adding for icon and icon box, display, flex, justify, content, center, align, item, center, position, absolute, insert 0.25, rem, then the background to it, and the border radius 50% for the round on, the transition 0.3 second. Then adding style for span, color white, font size 1.5. Okay. Now we got the inverted border radius cards. That's all about this video. If you like this, subscribe my channel, more video like this. Have a good day.